ChatGPT versus Jasper AI. Two powerhouse AI tools, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, the versatile AI Swiss Army knife. And on the right, Jasper AI, your marketing-focused content engine. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, let's take a quick look at what matters most in this showdown. Here's the mind map. Pricing, speed and efficiency, accuracy, content creation magic, user interface, and of course, the use cases. That's our roadmap for the battle. Ready? Let's go. First up, pricing. Oh boy, this is where things get real. So, ChatGPT actually throws in a free tier. Yep, you can test drive things at absolutely zero cost. Pretty flexible plans too, and if you're really serious, ChatGPT Plus is just $20 a month. Now, fair warning, the cool premium features do ask for a subscription, but at least you get to play around for free. Meanwhile, Jasper AI comes in with starter plans, good for beginners, and yeah, there's enterprise stuff if you're all in. But here's the catch. Jasper's generally more expensive. No free tier at all, so honestly, you have to commit upfront. In the pricing fight, ChatGPT sneaks ahead. All right, moving on. Speed and efficiency. ChatGPT does its thing with deep conversational flow and that classic context memory, which is awesome if you're chatting. But let's just say if you're doing a ton of bulk tasks, it feels like it's taking the scenic route. Bringing Jasper into the picture, whoa, this one's quick. Like 35% faster kind of quick when you're spinning out content. Bulk creation, Jasper handles that in no time. Just boom, rapid output. Though I gotta admit, it sometimes misses the depth in conversations. For pure speed, Jasper AI definitely takes the crown. Next up, accuracy. So ChatGPT touts a whopping 92% accuracy rate, thanks to its killer context understanding and those super precise responses. Sometimes you gotta steer it with specific prompts, but hey, once you do, you get spot-on answers. Jasper's sitting at 85% for actual content tasks. And it's efficient, but, you know, every now and then it kind of stumbles on the complex stuff. So for reliability, ChatGPT pulls ahead on accuracy. Quick pause, fun fact, both ChatGPT and Jasper are powered by GPT tech, but they each kind of serve a different master. One's like a digital assistant for everyone, the other is your secret weapon if you're in marketing. Now, let's get into the juicy part, content creation. ChatGPT is this creative powerhouse, versatile text, brainstorm partner, even code generation if you want. But real talk, if you're pushing for marketing copy, you've got to really be specific with your prompts. Jasper flips the script here. It's built for conversion. Seriously, it's got marketing templates, keeps your brand voice on point, helps with SEO strategies, the whole 9 yards. You give it a marketing task, it just runs with it. Though Jasper's less flexible for random stuff. In the content creation zone for marketers, Jasper is your hero. Up next, user interface. ChatGPT rocks that super intuitive chat vibe. It feels like you're having a natural conversation, easy to just jump in and start typing away. But, and here's the thing, if you want really structured, specific content types, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more guidance. Jasper comes in with this super clean dashboard, loaded with templates, and a guided creation process that's almost like onboarding every time. Downside, it can feel a little robotic and less like a casual convo. Honestly, it's a toss-up depending on what you prefer. So we call it a tie for interface. Finally, use cases. ChatGPT is like your Swiss Army knife. Customer engagement, learning, productivity hacks, coding, you name it. The jack-of-all-trades approach means it flexes everywhere, but isn't hyper-specialized. Jasper, on the other hand, is laser-focused. Think marketing, sales copy, blog posts, ad campaigns, product descriptions. It's got that dialed-in energy for businesses. It's super narrow, but powerful where it counts. So really, which one wins here? Actually, this one's even Steven. Both have killer use cases, just totally different vibes. All right, let's visualize this. Imagine the radar chart. ChatGPT spikes for versatility, killer accuracy, and general productivity. Jasper outpaces in speed and just crushes the marketing content game. Totally different strengths, honestly. Okay, so big picture time. If you want an all-in-one AI to tackle conversations, coding, and just about anything you throw at it, ChatGPT's your best bet. But if you live and breathe marketing, need fast, on-brand conversion content, Jasper's your MVP. Between the two, ChatGPT ends up ahead for most folks, but Jasper is absolute gold for marketers. Still unsure? Try out both tools, see how they actually work for your projects. Seriously, compare their outputs for your exact needs and see which one fits your workflow. Your answer might surprise you.